Okay, hello friends. This is next program that we are going to discuss. That is greatest common divisor. Okay, so we'll first find out how we are going to uh, do the case of common divisor. Then we'll go with the logic behind it. Okay, writing a program. That is GCD means greatest common divisor. That is if we take two numbers 36 and 24. Okay, out of this we know that 36 is the greatest number. So what we'll be doing 36 divided by 24. What I will be getting is one time it was and 24. The remainder is 12. So it is not left out like this. We have to find out the greatest common divisor where the remainder will become 0. So what I will be doing, I will place this 24, the portion here over here, that is 24. Now if I divide again, it is 2, 24, the result will be 0. So what is the greatest common divisor here? That 12 is the GCD for these two numbers. Now we'll check out the same thing uh, with this program. Okay, the program is something like this. Uh, okay, the program is like first what we have to write down. As you say, what are all required? CS colon code, DS colon data. So these two are required for us. Okay, clear? So CS colon data, DS colon data. So the next one is data set. So what we are going to place in this one, A, which is a 1 byte one. So we will write DB 36H and B DB 24H hexadecimal. So we have to find out GCD, which will also be, as we have taken, it is, we don't know what is the number. So we take it as question mark. So then data X. So the next one is okay, finding out okay the code set code. Okay, the part is we were writing down the code segment. It will not run the program. Whatever we write it over here. So the thing is, we have to write with the start. So start moving. We know already we have discussed about this. A x comma data move into dx, available data available in X. So why it is so? Because we cannot transfer from memory to the memory. So we use a register in between. Okay. Then we are trying to move into from A, okay, into L, move from variable B, that is the data stored into BL. Okay. Now I am writing down a label back. Okay, so what I'm going to write down here, compare AL with PL. What does compare do? If you look into the program, so it is very clear. Okay, instructions, it is very clear. It will just minus AL minus BL. Whether it is a greater, it will signify whether it is a greatest number. AL is a greatest number or small number or the equal numbers. Okay, that implies it gives only the information about AL is greater than BL or AL is equal to BL or AL is less than BL. So what I have to do, if I want to get this one, if I want to find out the GCD, 36 should be greater than 24 only. Are you able to understand this one? So comparison means we have to get this particular statement that AL is greater than BL. If I don't get this one, then we have to transfer. Because if I want to divide something, the division is performed upon okay AL comma BL itself. But we will not write out AL, BL, but we will write down only AL, BL, sorry. So now I'll write down jump if the condition is good, if AL is greater than BL, then we'll go into the some other label called ready. Okay. Or else what I'll be doing, I'll do exchange, okay, AL, comma, BL. Okay. Now again I will go back. Clear? So now I'll write down the ready. What I'll write down in ready? If AL is greater than BL, I'll write down AH comma 00H. I'll stop this. I'll not go back to this particular back. I'll terminate this one. Okay. Now I'll write down div BL. What does div BL do? It will say, it will do it like this: AL divided by BL. Okay. And store, sorry, AL divided by BL, AL divided by BL, and store, sorry, and store the coefficient in AL divisor in AH. Clear? Okay. The point is, sorry, I will the quotient and the remainder in H. Remainder in H. So now, as the remainder is there in AH, now what I will be doing? Again, I will use compare, okay, statement saying that AH comparing with 0. What is AH? It is the register. So we have AX where AX register is having, okay, AH comma AL. So it is divided into 8 bits. Clear? So compare AH. If this statement is correct, then you have to terminate it. Jump if 0 to over. Okay. If AH is not comparing, if AH is not equal to 00H, then what I have to do? I have to move into AL because already AL has a coefficient. Okay. The value which is there in BL. What is the value which is there in BL? The one that is stored in B, that is 24H. Clear? And move into BL. What is that? I have to move the value which is stored in AH. Now jump back. Clear? Jump back. Then already the program is over to where is this way over? I have written here like this over label. So what is this? Is saying H comma 00H. So everything is good. Move into GCD the value available in BL. Okay, and move into AH 4ZH. So it terminates the entire program. Int 21H interrupts. Then what do I have to write down? Code ends and end start. This is what the program is all about. Clear? Are you able to understand this logic? So what I will be doing is we'll run this program in the next session, okay, and we'll look at whether this statement is executing perfectly or not. Clear? Thank you.